This is Matt Armstrong's BMW E24. Now, if you recall the last episode, we started fabricating that rear windscreen surround. In this episode, we're going to start on those rear light surrounds. Now, I've been sat next to Matt Armstrong's BMX box of rust, staring at this back section. Now, this back section needs a little bit of love. As you can see, there's holes everywhere. Now, I'm going to start on this section here, on these two corners, this side and that side, and I can start fabricating this back section. Right, unlike a banana, this is actually double skinned. Now, from the bottom, it doesn't actually look that bad, but if you look inside, it's actually corroded between the two seams. Now, this is kind of why restorations take so long, because you cut rust out and find more rust. This is turning into a disaster. Right, so I've made this section and I've tacked it in. I can always take this back out and do that inner section afterwards because I've still got that inner to do as well. But now this is tacked in, I'm going to move on to this section here. So this is actually made in two sections. So there's this here and then this, which is two separate sections. So I'm going to clean all this up and see exactly what I need to do, and then I can fab some pieces for that. Right, so I've made those pieces and tacked them in. Now, little sections like this really do take time with all these bends and to get in there and, you know, really get stuck in. But that's them tacked in now. One of these days, I'm going to go on an absolute welding spree. I'm just going to weld everything because I've got a lot of things to weld up. But that's them tacked in. So now, what I want to do is I want to start taking the rest of this paint off. So we're going to go at it with 2 DAs, me and my dad. I'm going to go at this car with 2 DAs, 80 grit, and try and get a lot of this paint off this side. Right, so that's that back section done. We've managed to get half of the roof done and all of this section here down to bare metal. Now, I did find some hidden rust here, which I do need to address, but we'll do that in the next video. So we'll catch you in the next video where we'll continue restoring the E24.